Hello, this is David Bartley from Bartley Realty, 239-261-1186. And I'm here at Innovation at ITEC II today, taking a look at the interior of one of our 2,025 square foot spaces. That area in the back there will be an ADA bathroom. See the ceiling height here of about 35 feet. We do have AC in all of our units, fire suppression, fire alarm system. It will have a 14-foot high roll-up door, which is electric door, LED lights. We're nearing completion on these units, expected December 2023. For more information, give me a call, 239-261-1186.